There were over 60 AI headlines that I deemed to be incredibly important over the past 10 days, but I narrowed it down to these top 13. Amazon is building ShopGPT soon, and it will be in Alexa and their new robot named Burnham. OpenAI is releasing an open source model. AI can now detect Alzheimer's, and it may be in all of our phones. Robotics are getting better. Take a look at this 6-arm human dancing. ChatGPT plugins are now available to all users. Sam Altman testified before the Senate and urges them to require licenses to train models. Apple has begun banning some people from using ChatGPT at work. Google and Adobe are partnering up to make some interesting things. ChatGPT got a new iPhone app, and in another video, I'm about to share a way to use your voice and keyboard shortcuts to make prompting much faster. We are seeing text to 3D motion papers completely changing the game, and you're now able to draw your own world with Blockade Lab. Look at this. A company is creating gloves that convert sign language into English.
Hello. My name is Thomas.
AI photo editing is getting much better and much more precise. Look at this real-time photo editing, and I'll be discussing many of these in greater detail in my continuous AI course right here on ChatGPT. Just released their app on iPhone, and here are the 3 most important tips that will make using ChatGPT so much better on the iPhone. Number 1, keyboard replacements. If you go to settings, keyboard replacement, and put whatever prompt you want in the phrase, and put whatever you want the shortcut to be, you'll be able to type that little shortcut and get the prompts you used over and over again, no matter how long they are, immediately in your phone. I promise this will save you so much time. And also, if you have a Mac computer, these carry over and you can use them on computer as well. Number 2, when prompting ChatGPT on your phone, you can press anywhere near where you're typing, and you can press this little button, and it will allow you to bring in text via your camera. This allows you to summarize books that you read or physical paper. Number 3, be prepared for plugins on the phone. This is the direction that OpenAI is going. They're trying to create an entire ecosystem that competes with Apple and other big companies. When they add plugins to the app, which they will soon, you will need to be ready, which is why this robotics company has designed a system of 6 spider-like robot limbs that the user can fully control, essentially turning humans into cyborgs. Jizai Arms consists of a wearable base unit with 6 terminals and detachable robot arms, all of which can be controlled by the wearer. These robot arms can be attached, detached, or replaced as needed. Jizai Arms have engineered a system of 6 spider-like robotic limbs that can be controlled by the user wearing them, creating the sensation that they are natural extensions of their body. And this is the only concept video or advertisement that has been released on this, and I know what you're thinking. Finally, we have 6 mechanical arms for contemporary dance. This is Dragan, that literally allows you to edit your images whether you take them on your phone or generate them on Midjourney. This will give you the power to actually create exactly what you want. We are finally entering the precision age of AI tools. I think most of the news for the next few months is going to be existing tools getting better instead of completely new tools that are hyped up on fantasy instead of utility. People are too overwhelmed to try all these different tools that are dropping with paywalls and waitlists. AI video is still a, wow, this is crazy, I can't believe this is an AI video phase. We're actually really close to people creating a South Park style show that is actually good, that could be on Hulu. And I think this is closer than we think. Midjourney, yes, is mind-meltingly good, and it's easy to generate any amazing image, but it's very hard or nearly impossible to create the exact image that is in your head. We still don't have a lot of control unless we have deep Photoshop knowledge. But AI video editing tools like Dragan are incredibly inspiring, and I hope they make tools like Midjourney much more useful. And I was just added to Photoshop, and this is going to be an honest review. At first glance, it's really cool, but I'm here to check it out and teach you how to do it. So I downloaded this off of Midjourney. It's just an astronaut in an all-white room. So let's go ahead and use this quick selection tool. Okay, so we have the ceiling and the walls. Let's see if we can make this like 1970s wooden ceiling. It's completely changed the vibe. Okay, it almost looks like bamboo. Okay, so now let's add a big chandelier. Lasso tool. I guess we could make it like this, right? Elegant chandelier. We have this, and this. This kind of blends in more with the room, but I like this. Let's go ahead and add a futuristic sports car. Okay, so this one is cooler. And so now we can actually grab the entire ground. Let's do marble floors. Ooh, that's kind of clean. Wow, it's got rich texture. That's crazy. Now let's make this generative fill, open garage. Okay, yeah, now that has some light coming through. And we're just gonna select all this good stuff. Oh, nice wooden house. Okay, well, this is a little house, but you know what? I kind of like it. Painting of nature with wooden frame. Option 1, option 2, option 3. I'm like option 1. And there you go. We have a completely new image.